Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a tool which is completely free and unlimited by Google, which is called as Google Antigravity. You all know about this tool. It's really popular. If you don't know this, simply type this Antigravity CLI. Very first website which comes, Antigravity CLI. So it has its own IDE as well alongside with the CLI tool as well. I will show you both the tools. So if you're landing it for the very first time, you click on download for Windows. So if you are on Mac, Linux, Windows, it's completely cross platform. You can download for your respective operating system. So for installing the CLI, it's very simple. You go to the PowerShell, simply copy this command and paste this command. I have already, as you can see, I pasted this command. So this just took 2 minutes to install the anti-gravity CLI. So my CLI has been installed, and simply click on download for X for installing this IDE. The IDE is also installed. As you can see, the interface looks something like this. So right here you can switch the model from here. By default it uses Gemini 3.5. So these are completely free. You can you even use Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet. You can switch this. So this is completely free. I haven't paid anything. It's a complete free account. So from here you can change the account as well. So in the settings here, you can add a folder. So wherever you are actually developing your, so right here you can add the folder. So in this easy way, you can add the folder right here. So if I show you my account here, this is completely free account. I haven't paid anything. So in the free account itself, so right here, you can switch the, you can say new project and then select this folder. That's all. So right here, you simply ask any kind of question inside this IDE. Just press hi, and this will respond to you. So now I will simply just tell it to build a image to PDF web app. So right here, I simply written the prompt here, build a image to PDF web app in browser, create the index.html file. So first of all, it will actually scan the directory, then create a description. So after that implementation plan is over, it will create the file for you. So this is my folder. As you can see, currently it is empty. So it will create this index.html file directly here. Now coming back to the terminal. So it's very simple. You open the folder in which wherever you are developing your application. So for accessing the terminal, you simply type AGY after you installed it, anti-gravity. So once you enter this, you will be granted with this interface, welcome to the anti-gravity CLI. So the CLI, you simply say, yes, I trust this folder. So now will be having this interface. So again, you're using this Gemini 3.5 Flash model, so which is completely free. You simply type hi, you will see the AI will respond to you. You can simply say top 10 frameworks. You can ask any kind of question. Top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So it will give you this fast response. The top 10 frameworks, the description will be there inside its terminal. Now I will simply tell it to build a full stack React PDF editor app in browser, create the files. So I simply tell this to create a full stack React application PDF editor directly in browser and create the files. So right here you grant the permission. So I will say yes always. So it will take over. It will actually be automatically be executing all the terminal commands in the background. So you will see that this is the terminal. I prefer this more as compared to this one. So again, you grant the permissions. So this terminal is more good, as you see the actual response directly in the terminal. So again, so as you can see, it is creating a full stack application. So this anti-gravity CLI is really powerful. It is, so it created this, as you can see, a full stack React application. It created all the files here, as you see, app dot. We also first of all created this package.json file. We also have the readme file as well. And now it is actually installing the necessary dependencies. So it also tells you the result directly. So once it is executed, so now it is creating the files here for you after installing the dependencies. So it is creating index.css, as you can see right here. It also tells you how much tokens are consumed. So definitely don't waste time. Simply install this anti-gravity CLI and IDE and start creating applications. It doesn't cost you anything. It is free and unlimited. I have using it for past 6 months whenever it was released, and I thought I can make a video on this so that you guys can also create applications. So you can see that it is creating all the components here step by step. It created the components folder. It is now creating all the necessary components step by step for this PDF editor project here. So you will see that it is really fast. It will not take too much time, and it will save you a lot of time, and the end result will be a production ready application. You don't need to do anything. Simply write the prompt, and in a matter of seconds you will get a production ready application. So you will see that it is creating all the components in TypeScript. So it's a full stack PDF editor React application. So in this easy way, you can create in any framework, Angular, React, Next, in any language, PHP, C++. So you simply write the prompt here, and now it is building out the application. And after that, it will run the application at the port number. So you need to grant these permissions for the very first time. If you are doing it in the subsequent runs, it will not ask you. This all just need to do for the very first time. And you can just see right here, it's how user friendly. After it created, it actually run the, so it shows you how much the files it has created, and it is for running the dev server. It is telling you to execute this command. So we simply say npm run dev to launch the development server. So now it is actually running the development server for you. So the application has been successfully started. You can see the result here. Simply go to localhost 5173. So if any kind of error take place, you can copy this error from this console and directly paste it so that it fixes. So you can write the prompt. So you paste, and then automatically it will understand this error and try to fix it. So you can see that it is going to the relevant files and making the fixes. So it is really easy. If you actually find any error, you directly paste it in the prompt, and after that the AI will try to fix the errors for you. So it is really fast, this anti-gravity CLI and the IDE, as compared to other tools of Claude CLI codecs. Again, if you try to run this, if you want to switch the model, it's also very easy. You can easily switch the model. There is a command which is there, /model. So from here you can switch the model as well. Again, this error is coming, so I can simply paste it. So you can switch the model from here, Gemini 3.1 Pro. We also have Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus. So you can see that how easy it is to switch the model. If you type the message hi, it will reply to you. So you can even use other models as well, Claude, Opus, Claude, Sonnet, for completely free. So in this easy way, you can install this Google Anti-Gravity CLI. So the application, as you can see now, has been opened, and from here you can select your PDF file and try to edit. So this is your all the controls which are there. So from here you can add your text. So it's very easy, as you can see. You also have the pen tool. You can go to the next page. After making the changes, you can save the PDF. You can also export the PDF as a PNG file, print. Every functionality is there. So it gives you this nice little production ready application. Definitely check this out. Their CLI tool and IDE.